Hello and welcome to this channel. My name is Isaac. In this video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough on how you can register on Stima SACCO Internet Banking and how you can interact and make transactions, check statements, check balances, apply for loans, and so many other functions that you'll discover, even checking the guarantors. You can do this using the internet banking provided by Stima SACCO. So to begin, search for Stima SACCO. It will take you to this platform. Now, for you to register or to be able to interact with your Stima SACCO account, you will need to register with Stima SACCO Internet Banking option, which is here. Go ahead and click on Internet Banking. To register on Stima SACCO Internet Banking, what you need to do is to click on this self-registration to get started. Now, remember, you need first to be a member for you to be able to register on Stima SACCO platform. Just go and click on self-register, and here you'll be required to enter details such as your mobile number, your national ID or passport, and then your member number and email, which is optional. Go ahead and accept the terms and conditions and register. So I'll not register because I'm already registered. So for my case, I'll just have to log in. So once you have registered, go ahead and log in by entering your member number and then the password that you'll have set. You'll be sent a password to get started on your phone number, from which you'll have to change to a password that you can remember. And remember to set a strong password. Go ahead and log in. And one of the things that you will have to enter each time you log in is you'll have to enter an OTP, a one-time password or a one-time PIN that will be sent to your smartphone each time you try to log into your Stima SACCO. So I have just received mine. Let me enter. Now from here, there are so many things you can do with your Stima SACCO Internet Banking platform. Now, one of the best things I like about Stima SACCO Internet Banking is this is the only platform that allows you to check for your balance without any shilling being deducted from your Prime account. So from here, you can check your balances, you can check your statements, you can do so many things. You can check your beneficiaries, you can check, you can apply for loans, and all these transactions you won't be charged even a single shilling. Now here are where all your accounts will appear. If you are a Stima SACCO member, you will have three accounts. That is the Prime account, the Shares account, and the Alpha deposit. Just remember that the Prime account is a similar to a current account that is issued by normal banking systems. And your Shares account, of course, this is for your shares, and then the Alpha deposit specifically for savings. So you can go ahead and check even your balances from each and every of these accounts, and you won't be charged even a shilling. You won't be charged even a shilling. So I can check all the account balances from my various accounts. The other function that you can do, you can apply for loans. As you know that there are mobile loans that you can apply via Stima mobile app. The same loans, you can as well apply them using the Stima SACCO Internet Banking platform. For you to be able to apply for loans, just simply go to loans here. And from here on the left hand side, you can see we have options for you to request loans. You can see your loan summaries. You can calculate even the loans. You can do loan repayment. And then you can also request for Empower loan top up. Now, the Empower top up allows you to request for another loan if you have an existing Empower loan. If you want to apply for any mobile loan, just simply click on loan request. And we'll have here a number of loan products. One is Empower, and then we have the dividend discounting if you qualify for dividends, and then we have the area service loans. So typically the Empower is available for all members, and for you to be able to apply for the Empower loan, simply go and select, click on the loan, on the Empower loans, and then here you're told you can get instant loans, and indeed these loans are instant. But first you'll need to know the amount that you are eligible. For you to be able to know the amount that you are eligible, you need to begin the application process, and then you will be notified how much you can apply. So what you need to do is first to select your account, and for Stima SACCO members, you know, any amount that comes to you will be deposited in your Prime account so that you can withdraw the amount. So go ahead and select the Prime account. Go ahead and select the number of months you want to pay that loan. Now once you select this, you will receive the amount you are eligible, and then from here you will decide the amount you want to apply. So you can see here I have been shown the amount that I'm eligible to apply, and therefore I can go ahead now and enter the amount that I want to borrow. So what you only need to do is to enter the amount here, and once you have entered the amount, the submit button will be active. So I don't want to apply for any amount, therefore I'll not do that. Now I want to show you how you can apply for Funika loan with Stima SACCO. Now if you want to apply for Stima SACCO Funika loan, go to loans, click on loan request, and then click on empower. Now from empower here, now one thing you have to remember is that Funika loan is only available to members who are currently servicing an empower loan. So if you already have an empower loan, then that you are servicing, or you are yet even to begin to service and you have not yet defaulted, then you still qualify for a Funika loan. Now one thing you also have to remember, that Funika loan accrues interest on a daily basis, and I think it should be around 1% each and every day. This is a short-term loan that you apply during emergencies. So for you to be able to apply for Funika loan, once you are on your loans and you have selected on Empower, now select on the account that you want to receive the Funika loan. To select the Funika loan product, click on the number of months using the down arrow, and from here you will see below it, you can see now the Funika loan product. Now give it time for the system to load, and then you will see the amount that you are eligible. Go ahead and enter the amount, and also then click on submit, upon which you will receive a one-time password that you'll have to enter before the amount can be credited to your account. It should take some few seconds before you can receive your amount on the Prime account. Go ahead and check on the Prime account balance. You will find the amount there, upon which now you can transfer to your mobile and make a withdrawal. Apart from the internet banking option, you can also apply for Funika loan using the Stima mobile app. The third option that you can use to apply for Funika loan is through the *489# option, and you should be able to get the same products. Now another thing you may want to do on your Stima SACCO Internet Banking is to check for statements. Now here you can check for full statements, and you can as well check for mini statements. So let me show you how you can receive a mini statement using the internet banking. You simply hover on statements here and then select mini statement. You will receive a summary of the mini statement, the last 5 transactions that you had performed of the selected account. Now for instance, this is a mini statement for Prime account. Apart from the mini statements, you can also go and request for a full statement. Now the full statement here, you will have to select the account of which you want the statement. From there, you will have also to select the period. Say maybe I want a statement for my Prime account for the last 3 months, or maybe I want for the current month. So if you want this, go ahead and submit. You can go ahead now from here and download. Just go ahead and download it, and there it is. Now I want to show you how you can check your loan guarantors. For you to do this, go on the statement, and from here you have the loan guaranteed statement and loan guarantor statements. So for instance, as you can see, I have currently guaranteed 5 people. The same way you can check the loan guarantor statements. You can also check your dividend statements. If you have a loan that you are servicing, you can check the statement of the loan you're servicing using the loan statement here. If you want to transfer money between your own accounts, you can use this fund transfer function and click on between own accounts. So here you have the option to transfer money internally. Now you have to select the account from which the funds will come from, and of course this will only be one account, which is Prime account, because you can transfer money from the other account. You can transfer money from your shares account, and you can also transfer from the alpha deposits. So you can only transfer money here one way. Either you transfer from your prime account to shares, or from your prime account to your savings account. Maybe before I forget, you can also use your Stima SACCO account to pay bills. You can pay water bill, you can pay electricity bill, top up airtime, and even send money. Now, to perform these functions, come to bill payments. And from here, you will select the bill payment type. If you want to pay for KPLC, if you want to pay for Nairobi Waters, DSTV, StarTimes, Zuku, GoTV, these are the services that are currently onboarded on this platform. You can choose any of them, and then also enter the biller number. Is the account the amount will be credited to. Enter the amount, the remarks, and then submit. The amount will directly be deducted from your prime account and settle the bill. Now, another option is checking your loan summary. So if you have taken any loan, you can check the balance, the loan balance, using the loan summary option. Now, for this, just click on loans. And also remember, also you can do this. It is same on Stima mobile app. Just click on loans, and from here, click on loan summary. Once you click on loan summary, wait, and you will see here all the loans that are active that you are servicing. You'll also see all the loans, the previous loans that you paid that are settled, and you can see their status is closed. And for those that are active, the status reading as active. So that's how you check your loan statements, and here you'll be able to see the balance under each loan and the loan type. Another function you can do is to calculate loans. You will have first to choose the loan type. Say maybe you are applying for a biashara loan, and then the amount you want maybe is 100,000, and then the repayment period, maybe you want to repay this in 3 years, that is 36 months, and then click on calculate. Now here you will see the principal amount, the monthly interest that each will be earning, and then the monthly repayment that you'll be making. So here you can see that the interest is on a reducing balance, as you can see here, and they have averaged such that you'll be paying a standardized amount each and every month. So for 100,000, you see you'll be paying 3,615 shillings for a period of 3 years. So this is how you calculate the loan. You will be able to know the amount you'll be paying each and every month. Remember that Stima SACCO currently offers loans at an average of 12% per annum, and this loan is on a reducing balance. So that's how you can calculate your loans with Stima SACCO. Now, another function you can perform is to repay your loans using the Stima SACCO Internet Banking. For instance, now you have your money, you want to repay one of the loans that are active. You can easily do that using the Stima SACCO Internet Banking. Now, to achieve this, go to loans, click on loan repayments, and then from here choose the loan you want to repay. You must have the amount already in your prime account. So if you have the amount in Msasa, you have to transfer it first in your prime account before you can go ahead and make the repayment. So you'll have to choose the account which is prime account. This is the only account that holds transferable amount, and then you'll have to enter the amount you wish to transfer, and then the remarks. Click on submit, enter the OTP, and it will be done. So let me know if you have learned anything, and let me know also if you have any question in the comment section, and I'll be glad to answer. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye for now.